Hello kids, today I am going to teach you about articles. Our today's topic is articles. What are articles? Articles are the words a and the are called articles. They three are articles. How many types of the articles? The types of the articles. There are two types of the articles. First, definite article and second indefinite article. The definite article is the and indefinite article is a and. Now we learn the use of the articles. How we use the articles. Use of articles. First, a. A is used before the words beginning with the consonant sound words. Those words start with the consonant sound, we use a with them, and also we use a with the singulars also. A and an both use for the singulars. Both we use for the singulars only. No, not used with the plurals. A is also used with the singular nouns. Example like a woman, a book, etc. There is a unicorn. Unicorn is word start with the U and U is a vowel, but sound is coming consonant. Unicorn, unicorn, U sound is coming and U is a consonant sound. So we use there a unicorn, not an unicorn. Okay. Same, an is used before the vowel sound words, but and we use before the vowel sound words. Now here is also we focus on the sound. A, E, I, O, U. We all know they are 5 vowels in English, but we have to focus also on the Hindi vowels. Words beginning with the consonant words but have vowel sound. Those are having sound of vowel. Not only this, like H, O, U, R, R. H is also there and H is a consonant, but sound is coming R, R, A sound is coming. So A is a vowel in Hindi, so we use there an R. Honest, honorable, honor. They all words started with the H, but sound is vowel. O sound is coming there, vowel sound is coming there, so we use there A and N. Same like O and E, one. O is a vowel, but we not use there N. Why? Because O is vowel, but sound is W, one. W sound is coming, so we use there A. Now the is used for the particular things, natural things, names of monument, universal things, etc. Like example, universal things example is planet, earth, name of the planet, stars, moon, sun. They all are the natural things and universal things, so we use there the. Monuments name, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Hawa Mahal, they are the monuments. So we use there the also. Thank you students.